Hey, Crunchified Clean friends, if you've heard of the Scrub Daddy Power Paste, let me show you it here in action. I love it because it's a dye-free, all-natural, toxin-free, biodegradable powder scrubber. You don't need to wear gloves with it. I love it. Unless you have a skin sensitivity, that's up to you, but I don't. So I just wet my cloth, or you can wet a brush and scoop it up. So it's the equivalent of like an Ajax or a Comet, but without the bleach. So it's an all-natural scrubbing powder. And then I spray the counter down, and I scrub, and it came right off. And it smells nice. Has a very light lemony scent. So I really, really enjoy it. Now, obviously, always read the directions, read the labels, make sure you're using it on the proper surfaces that you can use it on. And clean it all up. You don't want any leftover residue, especially on kitchen counters if you're going to be making food. And then look at that beautiful Crunchified Clean counter with the Scrub Daddy paste. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay Crunchified Clean. Peace.